अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ रीना सलमान। वेलकम टू माय चैनल रीना सलमान ऑफिशियल। अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते जाएं, वीडियो को लाइक भी कर दें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो मेरी आप तक पहुंच सके। टू स्टार्ट ड्रॉप शिपिंग फ्रॉम योर शॉपिफाई स्टोर, follow these steps. First one, choose a niche. Select a niche or product category that interests you and has market demand. Now the second category is create a Shopify account. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose a plan that fits your needs. Now the third is set up your store. Customize your store by adding a theme, logo and essential pages like About Us, Contacts and Shipping Policy. Now the fourth is install Dropshipping app. Integrate a Dropshipping app like Overlo, Spocket or Modalist. These apps make it easy to import products from suppliers directly to your store. Now the fifth one is find reliable suppliers. Choose reputable suppliers on the Dropshipping app. Consider factors like product quality, shipping times, and customer reviews. Now the sixth, import products. Use the Dropshipping app to import products to your store. Ensure product description and images are appealing. Now the seventh, set pricing. Determine your pricing strategy, including product prices, shipping fees, and potential discount. Consider your cost and desired profit margin. Now the eighth is configure payment gateway. Set up a payment gateway to accept payment from customers. Shopify payments are third-party options like PayPal or common choices. Now the ninth is optimize for conversion. Optimize your store for conversions by ensuring a user-friendly design, easy navigation and clear calls to action. Now the 10th is market your store. Implement marketing strategies such as social media marketing, content marketing and influencer partnership to drive traffic to your store. Now the 11th, handle customer service. Be responsive to customer inquiries and provide excellent customer service. Maintain clear communication regarding shipping time and product information. Now the 12th is monitor and adjust. Regularly analyze your store's performance, adjust product offering and optimize marketing strategies based on customer feedback and sales data. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, continuous learning and adaptability. Stay informed about market trends and continually refine your store for better results. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.